Locked out of your ZTE after a reset or buying a second-hand device? In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to bypass ZTE's FRP and regain access. Part 1. Perform ZTE FRP bypass via TalkBack accessibility. Turn on the ZTE and connect to Wi-Fi. Press volume up plus down to enable TalkBack. Draw an L to open the menu. Tap TalkBack settings and disable it. Go to Help and Feedback, open a YouTube video, then access a browser link. Part 2. Bypass FRP on ZTE with YouTube and FRP APK. Open YouTube via Help and Feedback, then open in Chrome. Download Google Account Manager and Quick Shortcut Mamong APK. Install Open Quick Shortcut Mamong and sign in with a new Google account. Part 3. Bypass ZTE FRP via SIM card pin trick. Insert a SIM with a pin, restart the device, and enter the pin. Pull down the notification panel, tap SIM settings, access a browser, and add a new Google account or reset the device. Part 4. Remove ZTE FRP lock via offline setup. Bypass. Power on the ZTE, skip Wi-Fi setup, and proceed offline. On the Google login page, select Skip. Finish setup and sign in with the new Google account in Settings Accounts. Part 5. Bypass FRP on ZTE via PC FRP Unlock Tool, the highest success rate. How to guide. Download and install the software, then select Remove Google Lock FRP and Advanced Mode. Connect your ZTE, click Start, and back up your device. Enter details and follow instructions to enter recovery mode. Choose PDA, country, and carrier, then click Download. Click Start to extract. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock, and extract the firmware. The software will unlock your device, allowing access without Google verification.